Hi guys, and welcome back. I'm Carrie Penny, the Happy Crafty Homemaker. Eventually, I will get the name to my channel fixed, or down there, whichever side it's on. Have not figured out how to get my name changed. It was always supposed to say Happy Crafty Homemaker down there, and for some reason, it pulled my actual name, not my account name. This is a completely separate account from my personal account. It's a different Google account. Everything about this is different. It has a separate Gmail account associated to it. And still, it pulled my first name and last name. So that's why my channel is Carrie Penny still. And I always introduce myself as the Happy Crafty Homemaker. As the subject of the video, or title of the video suggests, there are 400 of you guys. And a lot of you guys actually watch my videos, which that's kind of mind-blowing for me. Because I really didn't think I'd get past 100 viewers. So I'm just like kind of overwhelmed. And a lot of you guys have come through Gypsy Rose, or you have come through Debbie the Canadian Crocheter back in December when she gave me a shout out, the night of confusion. Well, you can see all my lipstick on the inside of my mug too. But yeah, I'm glad you guys like my content. I'm glad you guys are regularly stopping by. I don't know what to say other than thank you. And why? This is my little slice of weird, and normally I think I'm too weird for most people. Most of you guys seem to be pretty normal. Keep getting all hazy. So yeah, we're doing another pattern giveaway. I am going to hold it at my own discretion as to how many patterns I give away. So there might be one winner. There might be 8 winners. I don't know. It depends on what kind of a mood I am when I do the drawing. I'm using my phone to film, so I can't pull up the calendar. So I don't know what I'm going to end this contest. I meant to sit down and film last week, and we'll get more into it in show and tell. We'll have a Carrie's Life segment, but I had a bunch of dental work done. Then I had a super busy Thursday, and then I babysat my godson and his sister for the weekend. So like nothing got done. But I did have a lot of fun babysitting them. They like listening to the Beatles and being sung to and looking at colors and textures, which is like that. Maybe I'm just a kid under the age of 4. Yeah, so I have 436 subscribers as of last night when I went to bed. I was going to say, maybe I can do this as once I hit a certain subscriber, I'll end this one and do the next one, but I don't want this to go on forever or be over in 24 hours. So let's say I will put, no, I'm not going to put a date. We're not going to do any of that. I am going to arbitrarily pick a day. I will mark this as ended and it's over. So if you are watching this on a device where you cannot comment or like, which I've been doing a lot of that streaming on my bedroom TV, come back to this video and comment as soon as you're near your phone, computer, or iPad. Because I don't know when I'm going to end this. And the sooner you get in here, the more you lock in that you're in here. And like I said, I'm going to use my discretion for how many patterns I give away. It is a pattern giveaway. In order to win, and I do read my comments before I announce winners. Answer the following 2 questions. How did you find me? And what is your favorite yarn? Not your workhorse yarn. This is the yarn that you fell in love with while working with it. So yeah, how did you find me? And this should be interesting. I think there's going to be a lot of Debbies and Gypsies. And you wouldn't stop commenting on my videos. And your favorite yarn. And that should also be interesting too, because I'm always looking for new yarns to use. Anyway, how does that sound? Fair enough? All right, well, I'm going to take a break from filming and eat some lunch. I will be back with you guys shortly. Bye.